welcome to this winter school, and welcome actually to the newly opened SwissMAP research station. As many of you might know, SwissMAP is a joint venture of the Swiss National Science Foundation, University of Geneva, and ETH Zurich. And a big plan of SwissMAP is to open a new conference center in the Alps, in the village of Les Diableret. And well, of course, we were planning for a big event with festivities and fireworks and so on. But because of COVID, unfortunately, we had to postpone it, but we still thought we should say at least some words about it. And now what you see is part of the brand new lecture room, which was installed especially for the research station. Of course, there will be this somewhat small edition of the winter school. We are actually testing the equipment, so we apologize if sometimes, well, the camera wouldn't turn or something happened with the sound. Please tell us in this case. And we are planning to have this year 13 events. Of course, some of them would have to be rescheduled. Maybe some of them would be canceled, but in principle, we would like to maintain this plan. And there is already a very big plan for the year 2022. And now I would like to pass the word to Elise Raphael, who is the science officer of the research station, and she will tell you how to apply for events in 2022. There are still some slots, or eventually for 2023.
Hi everyone, I think I know most of you, but it's a pleasure to see you all for now. As Anton mentioned, the call for proposal 2022 is closed by now, but we may still have some spots left, namely in June and the beginning of July 2022. So if you might be interested in organizing a conference here, you can write to us either directly to me, Elise Raphael at unigeo.ch, or you can go to our website. I'll put the link in the chat in a few minutes. SwissMapRS.ch, where you'll have the contact address especially for organizing events. As for 2023, the call for proposal will open around March, and you'll be able to apply until the end of September, likely. To organize a conference here, you only have to fill in the proposal that will be on the website. It is a tech template, so you just have to fill it out, and we'll then correspond by email for the rest of the details. In the meantime, and waiting to see you here in person, in real life, I hope you'll enjoy the virtual event and let us know what happens, the quality of the sound and the image in live. Thank you.
Well, now I would like to invite Patrick Grobety, who is our principal partner here in Les Diableret, to say a couple of welcome words. Patrick.
Hello, everybody. I don't see you, but I hope you see me. I am happy to receive the first seminar of SwissMAP this year. It's very complicated, but I hope to see you soon, everybody here, with our new meeting room. We do a new meeting room with the help of SwissMAP. I thank you, and I hope we can see you soon in these beautiful rooms to work and to have some activities here in Les Diableret. We are very happy that SwissMAP chose Les Diableret for the seminar, and we will do everything good that you have a good stay if you come here. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Well, thank you very much. As I said, probably let's postpone more speeches and bigger festivities for better time when there is no COVID. And we can now open the scientific program of this school.